Your go-to channel for the latest crypto market updates, insights, and strategies. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a massive market update. Bitcoin's surging, tariffs are shaking things up, and TradFi is making big moves in crypto. Buckle up, let's break it all down. First up, the crypto market is on fire and Bitcoin's leading the charge. BTC just hit $111,000, climbing 5% this week alone. Why? Massive ETF inflows, over $600 million a day, with BlackRock driving the rally. Investors are pouring in, seeking safety amid global market chaos. But while Bitcoin's booming, altcoins are a mixed bag. Ripple's making waves with an $11 billion bid for USDC and Circle, doubling down in the stablecoin race. FIFA NFTs are jumping to Avalanche, but not all news is good. Sui Dex got hit with an $11 million exploit, reminding us DeFi still has security gaps. Talk about what's shaking the broader markets. Trump's back with a tariff bombshell. 50% tariffs on EU goods kick in June 1st, impacting $975 billion in trade. He's not negotiating, and markets are feeling the heat. Apple's stock dropped 4% on talks of a 25% iPhone tariff. Supply chain disruptions and inflation risks are back in play, pushing investors towards safe havens like Bitcoin. At the same time, bond yields are screaming higher, US 30-year yields at 5.15%, Japan's 40-year at a record 3.67%. The bond market's flashing systemic risk, with the worst 10-year Treasury returns in 90 years. Here's where it gets interesting. Institutions are hedging like crazy. S&P short interest is at a 7-year high, and NASDAQ shorts are the highest since February 2021. Retail investors are buying the dip, but hedge funds are bracing for a storm. This split, retail euphoria versus institutional caution, feels like late 2021. Are we in for a correction? Keep your eyes peeled. But it's not all doom and gloom. Traditional finance is jumping into crypto in a big way. JPMorgan, Bank of America, Citi, and Wells Fargo are teaming up for a joint US stablecoin. That's right. TradFi isn't fighting crypto, they're building the rails to control it. This is a game changer for adoption, but it also means the big players want a piece of the pie. Let's check the sentiment. Retail's euphoric, chasing pumps, but institutions are skeptical and tariff risks are underpriced. Equities are fragile. Only mega caps are holding up the S&P 500. On-chain, Bitcoin ETF inflows are strong, but DeFi's vulnerabilities, like the Sui hack, are a reminder to stay cautious. So what's next? June 1st is huge. Those EU tariffs go live. Watch Apple closely if iPhone tariffs hit. Keep an eye on bond yields and inflation data for volatility cues, and don't sleep on crypto regulation as TradFi dives deeper. Our final takeaway? Trump's tariff shock is boosting Bitcoin, but don't FOMO into every pump. Use trailing stops, protect your profits, and stay disciplined. That's it for today's update on CryptoAImpact. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more crypto insights. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What's your take on Bitcoin's surge or TradFi's stablecoin push? Always do your own research, and we'll catch you in the next one. Explain stablecoin race. Crypto regulation trends. Make it shorter.